The amazing place where we're staying, it's called Coconut Tree Homestay, and it's called Coconut Tree Homestay because there's coconut trees everywhere, and where there's coconut trees, there's coconuts. Yay! So let's go and get some. Coconut! Okay, I'm gonna try and show you that there's water inside. This baby is gonna become something amazing. Thailand is actually one of the biggest exporter of coconuts in the world. So probably the coconut milk that you drink at home is actually made here in Thailand. So we're gonna do the same thing. Only no transport, no CO2, just sweat. Okay, so I think we've got enough. Come on, Mon. Let's go and make some coconut milk. Yay!
Wow, so strong.
Thank you.
Kapunka.
The second stage is a lot harder. This is why we need strong men. Coco-Feefee. Delicious. Kivikan, the place where we spent our lockdown, is located in the middle of a coconut producing area. So, we got the chance to witness how locals cultivate, gather and process this incredible fruit. For our Westerner way of thinking, some of these practices may seem highly unsafe. But these local experts have earned their living this way for many generations, so they know what they're doing.